Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been wondering how can you hide that you are active on Instagram, so basically you want to hide your activity status, follow up with me and I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, you open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, because we need to update the Instagram app for everything to work properly and for us to face no bugs during the process. So go ahead and update your app, or make sure you have one of the latest versions, and then finally go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then open your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner right here. From your profile, you need to tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then from here you can go ahead and scroll down until you find messages and story replies. You should find it right here, guys. Here it is. You go ahead and open it, and you find multiple options. The one we're looking for is show activity status, this one right here. Again, you go ahead and open it and you find this toggle. Usually it should be turned on. You should go ahead and turn it off for you to hide that you are active on Instagram. You can turn it on whenever you want, or turn it off again, as I said, whenever you want. And that is basically, guys, how can you hide your activity status on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And of course, thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in future videos.